Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make charcoal face mask for your face. So for that you have to not need a charcoal, like you need almond for that. So with the help of almond you are going to make a charcoal. So I have just taken a mud bowl where with the help of camphor I have burned the almond, and till it turns black and become a charcoal I will just burn it and I'll powder it. So let's get to the process. The first process is to cleanse your face. So make sure that you cleanse your face with the mild cleanser, or else here I'm just cleansing my face with the help of raw milk. So as you all know that raw milk is rich in B vitamins, alpha hydroxy acid, so which nourishes skin cells from within and keeps your skin moisturized all the day. It can even draw out excess sebum, that is skin oil, from your skin and tighten the large pores over the time you use it. So it is really very beneficial to your skin. Usually I use raw milk only, so you can definitely check it out if you haven't. Oily skin people who have oily skin, you can skip this. So here I have just wipe out with the help of towel, and the process is like, in 1 tablespoon of charcoal powder I have added 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of raw milk. So I will tell you like how to apply it. So I'm just done and I'm just applying the aloe vera gel, adding honey to it, and the charcoal powder. The charcoal face mask is ready for your face. So important thing about this homemade charcoal face mask is that it removes the impurities from your skin. It reduces your acne breakout. So the whatever sebums, the skin oil is there, it helps to remove it. So it controls your oiliness from your skin. So you can just apply overall to your face and to your neck. So completely you can apply it off, and I'm just removing it out with the help of a towel, or you can just wash it off completely. Okay, it's up to you that you can wash it off or you can remove it. So you will definitely just check that there is a change to your face. You can literally check that your face is giving you the matte glow to your skin. So I will just request you all guys to try this remedy. So this remedy is really wonderful. Hope you like this video. So I will request you to subscribe and like this video and try this at home.